Bluey peeked into the mirror, her cheeks flushed pink. She had learned a new dance move, and now she wasn't sure if she could do it perfectly. Bingo watched from the corner, eyes wide with curiosity. "Show me, Bluey," she urged. Bluey took a deep breath. She stepped forward, feet shuffling awkwardly, and began to sway side to side, hands in the air, twirling just a little. "Oh, you're doing it!" Bingo cheered. Bluey blushed even more. Her tail wagged nervously, each movement feeling shy but exciting. Mom peeked in from the doorway. "What's happening in here?" she asked. Bluey giggled. "I'm dancing, but a little shy." Mom smiled warmly. "Shy dancing is still dancing, and it looks wonderful." Bluey's confidence grew. She took another small step, this time with a bigger twirl, her ears bouncing slightly with every move. Bingo joined in, copying Bluey's movements. "Look at us, we're a dancing duo," she laughed. Bluey giggled. "Even if I'm a little embarrassed, it's fun." Snickers wandered into the room, tilting his head, trying to understand the motions. Bluey twirled past him. "Come on, Snickers, join us," she called. He barked happily, attempting his own clumsy spins, which made Bluey laugh even harder. Bingo clapped her paws. "You two make the best dance team." The afternoon passed quickly. Twists, spins, and shy little hops filled the room. Bluey's cheeks glowed, her initial embarrassment fading into joy. Mom brought lemonade. "Time for a break, my little dancers." Bluey sipped happily, tail wagging with delight. "I never knew dancing shyly could be this fun." As the sun began to set, Bluey practiced her moves one last time. Bingo hugged her. This was the best shy dance ever. Dad peeked in. "Time to wrap up, my little performers." Bluey waved. If you loved our shy dancing adventure, give a like, tap subscribe, and join us for more giggly moments.